Hi, I'm Natasha, and I'm here to introduce you to Cricut Joy Xtra, our fits in any space smart cutting machine. Compact enough to craft on your coffee table, but big enough to help you make popular projects, all perfectly personalized. So, what makes Cricut Joy Xtra special? First, its size. Larger than the Cricut Joy, but smaller than our Explorer or Maker machines. It can precision cut designs up to 8.5 inches wide, so it's a great in-between size that works perfectly with a standard US letter or A4 size material. It can precision cut our most loved materials, like vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, and more. That makes it perfect for making everyday projects like labels, decals, personalized gifts and apparel, and party decor. What really sets it apart from Cricut Joy is its compatibility with your home inkjet printer. That means you can create amazing full-color stickers. Plus, Cricut Joy Xtra can write, draw, and even add foil accents, perfect for the cutest custom cards and one-of-a-kind gifts they'll treasure forever. So even if you're short on space, Cricut Joy Xtra is ready to help you bring your creative vision to life. Like all Cricut machines, Cricut Joy Xtra works with our free app, Design Space. You can use it on your phone, tablet, or computer, and connect your machine via Bluetooth or USB. Here's how it works. Choose a ready-to-make project, upload your own design, or create something from scratch. Pick your material, load it into your machine, and let your machine do the rest. Then, put your project together, and there you have it, something totally your own. Some of our favorite real-life projects you can make with Cricut Joy Xtra: fun stickers like these made by Emily for her Kindle, t-shirts for a big family adventure like these made by Holly, personalized mugs like this one made by Classic Crafts, handmade cards like this incredible dragon pop-up made by Elmia, and custom pet gear like this collar for River the Lab. The best part? You can make your projects exactly how you want, totally one of a kind, and without spending a ton or waiting for your item to ship. One of the best ways to get started is with a bundle. You'll save money and take the guesswork out of getting started, since bundles include a variety of materials, tools, and card making supplies. That means you can dive right in and start creating projects straight out of the box. If you're excited by the idea of creating custom, personalized projects and full-color stickers, but need something that won't take up too much space, you'll love what you can make with the Cricut Joy Xtra. Check out the links below for tutorials, tips, and tons of project inspiration to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting with Cricut Joy Xtra.